Hey, this is Harold. I want to talk to you about if you're self employed. This year is, well, right now it's March of 2022, and I know taxes are um, needs to be filed in April of 15th. That's the filing deadline here in the US. Of course, you can always get an extension to October, but I wanted to talk to you about getting how a mortgage lender would look at your credit if you're self-employed. Even if you have a little small business or if you have a big business, they're going to look at usually the last 2 years of your tax returns. So that means the last 2 years that is supposed to be filed. Like this year is 2022. The last 2 years would be 2020 and 2019 if you haven't filed your 2021s. The most important thing to also remember is on your tax returns, they will use your not your gross profit but your net. So after all your expenses, what is that bottom line number, and that's your taxable income. Usually you can find that on your page 1. That's usually the starting point. But depending on your different how the way your business set up, maybe you have rental properties, maybe you have a S corp, C corp, or a pass through like a LLC or S corp. Some of the expenses will flow through from your business to your personal, but also remember some of the guidelines like meals and expenses will be also negatively deduct your income. So those are some of the things to think about in this tax season if you're looking to purchase a home now, and then also if you're looking to purchase home in the future, because your taxes, you only file them one time a year, so you have to be mindful and think kind of ahead to say, hey, I'm looking to purchase a home this year or even next year, because you have to remember you can't file your taxes again until January of the following year. So whatever you file, in that current calendar year, that's what your income is going to be that year. So always remember that when you're trying to purchase a home. And then I'll do another video after this talk to you about amending your taxes, the pros and the cons to it.